Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you side hustles that you can earn $950 and more per day. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. If only I'd known this side hustle when I was still that broke fresh college graduate. This could have changed my life entirely. Imagine earning $950 per day. And when I had landed my first low-paying job, an extra $950 could have helped me in so many ways. So, if you can relate to this sentiment, stay tuned so we can all be free from these financial constraints. I have a colleague at work who's also an Etsy seller. She's been achieving remarkable sales, raking in over $300,000 per year just by this side hustle, selling product labels. These labels are cleverly designed and branded, perfect for adding that professional touch to physical products. And the best part? The market might seem saturated with sellers, but that's actually a positive sign of high demand. Now you might wonder how you can dive into this lucrative venture and potentially achieve the same success. Well, the secret lies in a fantastic platform called Kittle. What's impressive about Kittle is that you don't need any design experience to start your journey to making money online. You're ready to roll once you sign up on Kittle.com for free. Just hit the labels option and you'll be greeted with a treasure trove of pre-made, beautifully branded product label templates, all ripe for selling on Etsy. Here's an insight. Successful Etsy sellers often use product mockups as their primary product images. These mockups showcase the label's appearance on a real product like jars or bottles. And guess what? Kittle has your back here too. It functions quite similarly to Photoshop or Illustrator, but is way more user-friendly and less time-consuming. Once you're happy with your design masterpiece, just click on Mockup. A plethora of mockup options will pop up, and with a simple click on Download Mockup, you've got the perfect product image for your Etsy listing. Now let's talk about customization. When someone buys your product label template and wants to tailor it to their branding, they'll use a tool like Cordial. Setting up Cordial as part of your process ensures your customers can seamlessly personalize their labels. So there you have it. A fantastic way to earn online with a side hustle that offers passive income potential. Let's dive into another exciting online side hustle, crafting and selling wedding and party greeting cards. This venture holds incredible earning potential, with the potential to rake in up to $80,000 a month by selling digital products on Etsy. The beauty of this opportunity lies in the fact that sales could translate directly into profit, as you're dealing with digital goods and there's virtually zero overhead. Plus, you can leverage subscription-based design websites to elevate your creations, and the monthly subscription costs pales compared to the potential earnings. It's a small investment with huge returns in online earnings. Now imagine this: greeting cards that bring joy to weddings and parties, all while putting money in your pocket. Picture it. $80,000 a month could be yours through Etsy. And here's the kicker. It's all digital, meaning minimal expenses and maximum returns. Kittle is indeed a game changer. This platform boasts an array of greeting card templates crafted by top-notch designers. You can effortlessly personalize these templates with a few simple clicks. Your imagination's the limit. And based on my research, wedding greeting cards are a hot favorite on Etsy. Fonts, colors, intricate details, everything's customizable. It's a breeze to navigate, intuitive, and user-friendly. In just about 4 to 5 minutes, you could have a range of captivating greeting card templates ready to grace your Etsy shop. Now if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's talk about another exciting side hustle that has the potential to line your pockets with cash: crafting and selling digital printables. The online world is buzzing with individuals on Etsy who are raking in profits by selling digital printables like stickers, planners, and calendars. Imagine the thrill of earning up to a staggering $75,000 per month through this venture. The beauty of digital printables lies in their simplicity. They're virtual products that can yield substantial earnings without the burden of overhead costs. Now here's where the magic happens. Kittle comes to the rescue once again. This versatile platform makes the process of creating digital printables a breeze. Whether it's stickers, planners, or calendars, Kittle has your back. With minimal effort, you can design your products and set the stage for selling them online. Kittle's user-friendly interface ensures that in just a matter of minutes, you can be ready to launch your creations on Etsy. Consider the appeal of printable calendars, a sought-after item on Etsy. Here's how you can create a standout printable calendar using Kittle. Begin by clicking New Project and select a standard printing paper size for your canvas. You can adjust the DPI to ensure your printables are of the highest quality. Search blank calendar template on Google to save time, followed by the current year. This will provide you with many templates that already include dates. Choose one of these templates as your base, sparing you the effort of creating individual date squares from scratch. Import this template into Kittle, and the real fun begins. Designing with Kittle is a breeze. Choose from many shapes, illustrations, and abstract elements. If you're seeking inspiration, a quick visit to platforms like Pinterest, where you can search for calendar designs, can offer you countless ideas to fuel your creativity. This side hustle is a golden opportunity to make money online, establish a passive income stream, and indulge your creative spirit. So why wait? Dive in, explore the possibilities, and create digital printables that earn you money and bring joy and value to customers worldwide. Your journey to online earning excellence starts now. Now let's delve into this final online side hustle, creating and selling t-shirts. This is a venture I've extensively covered on my channel, and trust me, it's a game changer. We're talking about a side hustle that can be automated end-to-end and boasts the potential to earn you an astonishing $399,000 monthly. The allure lies not only in its profitability, but also in its remarkable ease of initiation. Picture this. The process can be almost entirely automated and the potential returns are jaw-dropping. Here's the exciting part. With the power of Kittle, you can design your t-shirts effortlessly. But that's just the beginning. To bring your designs to life, you'll connect with a print-on-demand service like Printify, seamlessly integrated with your Etsy shop. So when a customer orders Etsy, it's like clockwork. Printify takes your Kittle designs, prints the shirt, and ships it directly to the buyer. This seamless process ensures you can reap the rewards without constant manual intervention. Let me guide you through the process, starting with Kittle. Click on the T-shirts button and you'll enter a world of possibilities. Myriad t-shirt designs awaiting your creative touch. The beauty? No fretting over licensing concerns. Kittle has you covered. Next, leverage Kittle's mockup feature to overlay your designs onto t-shirt mockups. These mockups become your product images on Etsy, attracting potential buyers with your eye-catching designs. Now let's talk about Printify. It's your bridge to automation. Sign up for a free Printify account, link it to your Etsy shop, and add your t-shirt designs and mockup images. Publish these products on Printify. Like magic, they appear on your Etsy storefront. Whenever someone orders a t-shirt, Printify springs into action. They print the t-shirt and send it directly to your customer. Your role? Well, it's beautifully simplified. Focus on using Kittle's professional t-shirt templates to create your designs. That's the essence of it. And here's a bonus. Kittle's built-in AI tool can help you generate unique images, enhancing your t-shirt offerings even further. This side hustle is your gateway to making money online, reaping passive income. Are you ready to transform your t-shirt designs into a thriving online business? The journey begins now. Start crafting those designs, upload them, and watch as your t-shirt designs make their way to homes worldwide. It's an opportunity to embrace your creativity while fueling your financial aspirations. The world of online earning awaits. In a world where making money online has become a pivotal aspect of our lives, the landscape of passive income and side hustles has evolved dramatically. Times have changed and opportunities abound for those seeking to enhance their financial well-being. The beauty lies in the diversity of options available, each with potential to become a substantial source of income or even a primary career path. Through platforms like Kittle, a door opens to many possibilities in various Etsy selling niches. Whether creating and selling product labels, designing digital printables, or crafting t-shirts, Kittle's intuitive interface empowers you to turn your creative spark into profitable endeavors. It's not limited by niche. Kittle's adaptability allows you to explore multiple avenues for generating income, each catered to your strengths and interests. These side hustles aren't just about a quick buck. They offer the potential for sustainable growth. What was once considered a supplementary income source can now become a robust means of earning money. The power of passive income can't be underestimated. It can free you from financial constraints and provide you with the flexibility to pursue your dreams, whether traveling, investing in personal projects, or simply enjoying a higher quality of life. As the digital era continues to reshape our lives and work, these side hustles demonstrate the modern versatility of earning money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or embark on a new career, the opportunities are abundant and accessible. So seize the chance to engage in a side hustle, embrace the concept of passive income, and unlock the potential to earn money online in ways that suit your lifestyle and aspirations. The path to financial freedom and creative fulfillment starts here. So, seize this opportunity, but remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. Happy earning, and best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.